Well, as demand nationally for vaccines levels off, White House Press Secretary Jen Psaki says the U.S. is helping other countries deal with this pandemic. Now, to date, the U.S. has shipped 350 million vaccines around the world. The White House stressed the only way to bring an end to this pandemic is to act globally. Well, it's another tool for doctors in the fight against COVID-19. Today, the Food and Drug Administration approved Merck's new antiviral pill, and it comes just one day after regulators approved Pfizer's treatment pill. Fox 46's Lindsay CLEIN joining us now. Lindsay, doctors are now saying that this could really help lessen the strain on healthcare systems across the country as the new Omicron variant spreads.
Yeah, this is certainly a major milestone. The newly approved medications are recommended for people at high risk of developing severe COVID-19 symptoms. And local doctors say these treatments will be significant when it comes to saving lives.
We're hoping to be a significant partner with the state in making sure that these pills get out to patients.
The FDA's authorization of both Pfizer and Merck's new COVID treatment pills could be a game changer in the fight against the coronavirus.
Obviously, it's going to give us another significant tool to decrease the chance of death.
Although Merck's pill was approved, the FDA says it shouldn't be a preferred treatment, citing it's only moderately effective and carries the possible risk of causing reproductive harm.
Paxlovid from Pfizer is the one that seems to be the most promising.
Older, high-risk patients would be eligible for Merck's pill if they can't get treatments like Pfizer's new pill or monoclonal antibody treatments.
Even before Omicron, it looked like Paxlovid's data was a bit better in preventing, people with mild to moderate COVID from being admitted to the hospital.
The pills were approved for high-risk patients with mild to moderate COVID symptoms. They should be prescribed as soon as possible after a diagnosis and within 5 days of the onset of symptoms.
Now, we don't have specific data on how well it's going to work with Omicron, but the areas that those pills target actually are not the areas that have mutated significantly. So we expect, especially with Pfizer's pill, that it's around that 90% effectiveness, which is amazing.
Doctors say time will tell how well these new tools contribute to the fight, but as of right now, they're hopeful.
My understanding is they think that's going to hold up pretty well against Omicron, but again, that remains to be seen.
And a clinical trial showed Merck's pill reduced the risk of hospitalization or death by 30% when given to high-risk unvaccinated patients within 5 days of the onset of symptoms. Pfizer's pill reduced the risk by 88%.